In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register students in Thinkific. There are a few ways to get students into your Thinkific course, but in this walkthrough, we're focusing on the manual method from the admin side. This is especially useful when you want to create an account for someone directly, such as giving free access, setting up a test student, or helping someone who hasn't signed up on their own yet. Start by logging into your Thinkific admin dashboard. Once you're in, look to the main navigation and go to Users, then select All Users. This area gives you access to everyone who currently has an account on your site, and it's also where you can create a new one. In the top right corner, click the New User button. That will open the form where you can enter the student's details. Here, fill in the student's first name, last name, and email address. Make sure the email is entered carefully, since that's tied to the user account and can affect how they access your course later. Once the information is entered, click Save. At this point, the user account has been created, but the student is not enrolled in a course yet. To complete the process, open the student's profile. Inside the profile, click the Enroll icon, which appears as a plus sign. From there, search for the course you want to add them to, then select Enroll. And that's it. The student now has an account and is enrolled in the course you selected. If you're doing this for internal testing, it can be helpful to double-check the enrollment from the user profile before moving on. If you're adding several people, just repeat the same process for each student. This manual option gives you full control and is one of the simplest ways to manage course access directly from your Thinkific dashboard.